Hi everyone, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare za'atar wrap. It's so yummy and delicious. It's kind of like manaish, but we're going to cook them on the hob, on the cooker. I'm going to prepare the dough, fresh dough, and I'm going to fill it with za'atar, cook it on a frying pan, and then we're going to roll it with some delicious and fresh vegetables. So and by the way, I'm going to list down all the ingredients for this recipe down in the description box if you want to give it a try. And I hope you will enjoy this recipe and this video. So let's get started with the ingredients. We need for the dough we need 1 kilo of plain flour, white flour. We need a little bit here for dust and to use them. We need warm water, not cold water. We need yogurt, 2 tablespoons of any kind of yogurt. We need I'm using natural yogurt. We need vegetable oil. You can use sunflower oil, canola, or olive oil, it's up to you. And we need salt, sugar, and yeast. So I'm going to add the dry ingredients together, mix them a little bit. Okay, so let's leave those separate, and I'm going to add the oil. I'm going to add the yogurt, which makes the dough very soft. Okay, so I'm not going to mix these. I'm going to add the water and mix the dough, or knead the dough very good. Okay. Okay guys, so here we go. I just kneaded the dough and now it's ready. So what I'm going to do, I use a little bit of flour as well. So now I'm going to make it into a small ball and then put it here. Let it rest for about 15 minutes. Alright. Okay, like so. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Look at the dough, it's so soft. Okay, so I'm going to carry on doing the rest. Okay, so now after I finish, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover them with a clean towel, and I'm going to leave them for about 15 minutes. Prepare the za'atar with the oil and prepare the vegetables. That's the see after that. Okay guys, so this is after 15 minutes. So now what I'm going to do, as you can see, the dough is ready, and here I have some za'atar. These za'atar or thyme mixed with sumac and mixed with sesame, toasted sesame, and salt as well. So I'm going to add on them oil, and mix them. Okay, I don't want them to be very thick and not liquidy too much. They need a little bit more. Okay, that's the consistency that I want. Alright, so now we're going to move to the other side and heat the frying pan and start rolling the dough. Alright, so let's get started. First, I'm going to start with the first one. Okay. Dust some flour. The dough is so soft. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to put these here separate, and here I have a frying pan. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put za'atar on this bread or dough, like so. Let me show you closer. Alright, this is the dough. So I'm going to put za'atar. Oh wow. Like 2 tablespoons in each one. If you like a bit more, if you like a bit less, it's up to you. It smells so yummy. Alright, so here we heated the frying pan. Okay, so the pan now is really hot. I'm going to take the za'atar dough and put it here. Leave it on high heat. So in that time, we're cooking the za'atar dough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make another dough or prepare it and make it ready. Okay, see? So this is the dough. It needs a little bit more. Okay, spread the za'atar on the dough. It's easier when you put it in the frying pan and then put the za'atar. This is easier. So put the za'atar now and then fry it or bake it, which is fry it in a. But as you can see, I didn't add any oil in the frying pan. No need to add oil. Okay. So let me show you something. Here I have the wrap is ready now. See? The wrap is ready. So I'm going to take it, put it here. Look at the dough. It's so beautiful. So this one is ready. So as you can see, it took less time. Alright, put it here in a beautiful plate. Have towel and then carry on doing the rest. Okay, so I'm going to carry on doing the rest on medium heat and I'll see you after that. Okay guys, here you go. This is the manaish or the za'atar dough. It is so yummy. So I'm going to show you how we can wrap one with these beautiful and delicious fresh vegetables. Here we have olives, the black one, the green one, cucumbers, cherry tomato. Here we have sliced tomato for the wrap. We have fresh mint, za'atar, manaish. I made one with mozzarella cheese and sesame on top. And look at this. Oh my goodness, this is radish and this is green almonds. We have orange juice. So let's get started to wrap one, and I'm so hungry. Okay, so I'm going to take one zaatar. It looks so yummy. So as you can see, that's how we wrap the zaatar roll. We put slice of and slice of tomato, and we put cucumbers. You can put lettuce if you like, but these are the vegetables that I like with the zaatar wrap. This is fresh mint, and I'm going to add some salt. Wow, you can add olives, but I like to eat the olives separate. Look at this beautiful wrap. You can use toothpick like this to hold it, and then cut it. I love it. This is my favorite breakfast ever. Look at this. It looks so yummy and so delicious, and I'm sure it tastes absolutely delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoy this beautiful breakfast, pure Lebanese breakfast. It looks so yummy and well, actually a romantic breakfast. So thank you so much. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the likes and the comments and the beautiful comments. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video and another recipe of food. See you later. Bye.